Xiaomi just dropped a bomb on the mid-range market. This is the new Redmi Turbo 5, and while everyone is fighting over camera sensors, Redmi just decided to end the low battery anxiety era forever. We are looking at a 7,560 mAh battery squeezed into a phone that is only 8mm thick. How did they do it? What is this new Dimensity 8500 Ultra chip? And is this really the flagship killer we've been waiting for in 2026? Let's find out. First off, the build. Unlike the plastic frames of the past, the Turbo 5 steps up to a premium CNC metal frame. It feels incredibly solid. It's also rated IP69K, which means it's not just waterproof, it can literally survive high-pressure hot water jets. The screen is a 659-inch AMOLED panel. It's a 1.5K resolution, which is the sweet spot for clarity and battery life. But the headline here is the 3500 nits peak brightness. Even under direct high noon sun, this thing is perfectly legible. Plus, it features Xiaomi's Green Mountain eye protection and Wet Hand Touch 2.0, so if you're using it in the rain or with sweaty hands while gaming, it won't skip a beat. Under the hood, the Redmi Turbo 5 is the world's first phone to use the MediaTek Dimensity 8500 Ultra. This is a 4nm beast hitting over 2.6 million on Antutu. To keep that power in check, Redmi introduced a 3D ice-sealed circulation cooling pump. They claim it's 3 times more efficient than standard VC cooling. In our testing, the Rampage engine does a great job of keeping frame rates stable without the back of the phone turning into a stovetop. You're getting LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, so everything from app opening to file transfers is lightning fast. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room, that 7,506 mAh battery. This is a silicon-carbon high-density cell. Usually, a battery this big makes a phone look like a brick, but the Turbo 5 is surprisingly light at 204 grams. You can easily get 2 full days of heavy use out of this. And when you do run low, the 100-watt fast charging gets you back to 100% in about 45 minutes. A huge bonus? 27-watt reverse wired charging. You can literally use this phone as a high-speed power bank to charge your friends' iPhones. Cameras are where Redmi usually cuts corners to keep the price down, but the setup here is fine. It's a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 main sensor with OIS and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide and a 20-megapixel lens for selfies. It takes great daylight shots, but don't expect it to beat the Xiaomi 16 Ultra. Software-wise, it's running HyperOS 3 on top of Android 16. It's smooth, lean, and the new AI features for file management and connectivity with other Xiaomi and even Apple devices are actually useful. So the price? In China, it starts at that's roughly $285 US. For a phone with a metal frame, IP69K rating, a 1.5K display, and a battery that refuses to die, that is an absolute steal. Globally, we expect this to launch as the Poco X8 Pro later this year. If they keep these specs for the global version, the competition is in trouble. What do you think? Is 7,560 mAh overkill, or is this your next phone? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.